Hello, in this video I am going to show you the void data type. So you've come across data types like int, character, float that allow you to store some sort of number, some sort of character for example, and with the numbers you can do mathematical operations on it as well. Technically with the characters, because they're underneath an integer, you technically can as well, but with something like a void it has no data type. So there's three main uses for a void data type in C. One, you specify if your function is not returning a value. So let me show you how to do that with main. So if I do void there, save it, give that a run, and it ran, but it will give us some sort of warning. As you can see, return with a value in function returning 0. So you can either A, just remove the value, or B, you can remove the entire return statement. I still prefer main to have an int. The other thing that you can do is, if let's say we have a function and we want this function to simply just say hello, just to print stuff out or maybe do some calculation, we don't want it to return any value. Again, if you're coming at this video before checking out the function stuff or knowing about functions, that's fine. Just bear with me. If you know about functions, great. Otherwise, you can check out the function videos. So I'm going to do a hash include stdio.h and now we're going to put a function here with a return type of voice, a void function, and we're going to say printf, and we're going to simply say hello world, and put a new line character. And to call this function, as always, just put function like so. I'll give it a run. It puts out hello world. Because we're not expecting to return a data type, you should put void there. You can, technically do this, and it still works. The thing is, the return type, as you can see, defaults to int. That is not good. It is not good practice to avoid putting a data type. You should always put either void or put the specific data type you're returning. The other thing is, we're not passing in any parameters here. So if you're not, put the void keyword there. If you don't, it just automatically assumes it's void, but it's good practice to put it there, and potentially here as well. So if I second, let me run this again. That works fine. Let's do void in here. Okay, that's working fine. I don't know what was happening before. Okay, so let me delete that, and there we go. So those are the three uses for the void data type: for returning no data, for accepting no data in a function, and the third one, which I'll cover when I do pointers, is to have a void pointer. Like I said, I'll cover that when I do pointers. So that's it. That's the void data type. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.